Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Firefox on your Mac. To get started, go to Google and search for Firefox download. Next, click on the official Firefox homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Download Firefox. Go ahead and click on it. Firefox will automatically detect that you are using Mac OS and download the installer, which is a .dmg file. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder. You will see a file named firefox.dmg. Double-click on that file. Next, simply drag the Firefox icon into the Applications folder. The installation process is very fast. After it finishes installing, go to your Applications folder. You will see the Firefox icon there. You can double-click it to launch the app, or you can use Command Space and type Firefox to open it. The first time you open Firefox, you might get a security warning saying, "This is an app downloaded from the internet." Just click Open. And just like that, you are ready to start using Firefox. For easier access later, you can drag the Firefox icon from your Applications folder down to the dock at the bottom of the screen. This creates a shortcut so you can launch Firefox quickly. So in this short video, I showed you how to install Firefox on a Mac. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button to support the channel. See you in the next video!